Let's see if we can get this in. Given the graph of f of x, sketch a possible graph for f prime of x. So we are looking at a graph that looks like that. And let's see, I have, well, okay, so this is the graph. So this is y equal f of x. If I'll go below, what will be a possible sketch of f prime in red? And why am I considering? Remember, f prime is the tangent at any given point. First of all, the easiest point to realize is when the tangent is completely horizontal. And this will happen when the function cease to decrease and start increasing, or cease to increase and start decreasing. Every time the tendency of the function changes. The function is increasing and then decreasing, it has to go through slope of the tangent equals 0. So in this point right there, and we'll give it a name in a minute, the tangent will equal 0. So whatever the derivative here is, the derivative equals 0 at this point. And let's call this x sub 0, x sub 1, x sub 2, and x sub 3, or we can call it ABC. You know what? I'll call it ABC. So at x equals ABC, the derivative will be 0. Now, I'm looking between left of point A, x equals A. What happened to the function? Is it increasing or decreasing? Well, obviously, it's decreasing, right? So if I plot a slope, or a tangent, first of all, the tangent at these points is horizontal. That's why the derivative equals 0. Okay? Now here, the tangent is negative. It will be very negative far away, and it will be less negative as it approaches the point where the derivative, the slope is 0. So it's going to be like so. Okay? Notice everything is below the y-axis. Everything is negative. Now from here to here, the function will be positive because the function is increasing until it becomes positive again. So it will be something like that. And become positive, it becomes 0 again. And then it's negative again, right? It will be negative, and it will be most negatively right here in between, right? And then it will be again less and less negative until it backs to 0 right there. And then here it's positive and get more and more positive. So it will go like this. So this is y equal f prime of x. Okay? And this is a good point for me to stop. A, my time is up. B, this is food for thought, because what happens is you tie up the function and the derivative by the behavior of the function. You think about it, what happened, where the function has a slope, as a tangent whose slope is positive, where the tangent has where the function has a tangent whose slope is negative or positive or 0, and based on that you can predict the behavior or the graph of the derivative f prime.